Once you have logged into your Zoom account and you are in the meeting as a speaker using the link sent to you by Zoom and our team, then when you are presenting, if you need to share your screen to give your presentation, you will have to use the share screen option, and I'll explain that to you in this. You'll click on this share button and you will see you have an option to choose your screen. So if you're using multiple screen, you can choose your screen which you have your presentation on. And then if you are speaking while presenting or there is sound in your presentation, you need to click on this share sound button and then you'll click on share. In case this share sound button is disabled and you're not able to use it, in that case you need to request the Zoom host to change the settings to allow only one person to present at a time and to share screen at one time, because if the option is chosen that multiple people can share their screen at one point of time, then this share sound option will not work.